Hello, fellow classmates. Today we're going to be looking at every teenage girl's favorite figurative device, the simile. A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two things through some connective. Usually this connective is like or as. Similes are used to create a vivid image in the audience or are used for clarification purposes. Similes are types of metaphors, but they differ from metaphors in the fact that metaphors compare two unlike things by saying that the one thing is the other thing, where simile is just a basic comparison, not wholly the same. Similes and metaphors are generally seen as interchangeable in a matter of stylistic and creative taste. However, similes acknowledge the imperfection and limitations of the comparative relationship to a greater extent than metaphors. And also, similes are limited to one or 2 points of comparison, where metaphors are not limited whatsoever. Generally, metaphors are the stronger and more encompassing of the forms of rhetorical analogies, but similes is a more basic form of figurative speech. The first example comes from the movie Shrek, which is where Shrek is trying to um, help Donkey understand how complex ogres are by comparing ogres to onions and saying that they have layers just like onions do. It's obviously a simile because it's a comparison of explicitly different things, onions and ogres, and it's also the comparison is introduced with like. As we can see from these images, ogres and onions are definitely not the same thing, but the comparison was used to clarify an understanding of what ogres are really like. The second example is the slogan of the Pan American Coffee Bureau. Good coffee is like friendship, rich and warm and strong. The use of like here gives us the hint that it's a simile, not a metaphor. And also, it's a comparison of coffee to friendship. Coffee is a concrete item we can taste, feel, and touch it, where friendship is an abstract idea which we can still feel, and it's there, but it cannot be seen or touched. This comparison is simply used to create a vivid image of what really good coffee is like. It's a great friendship. It has all these qualities that friendship has, and it is an amazing thing. As we can see from these images again, coffee and friendship are definitely not the same things because of the concrete nature, and also it's a drink and one's an idea in relationship. That's all for similes. Have a good day.